My name is Ruby. I am a TEFL-certified online English teacher from South Africa. I have been teaching English for over 5.5 years, and I teach children, teenagers, and adults from many different countries. In my lessons, I can help you with speaking, grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, reading, writing, and fluency. My lessons are friendly, encouraging, and made for your level. I believe learning English should feel comfortable and enjoyable. It is okay to make mistakes because mistakes help us to learn and improve. If you want to speak with more confidence, I would love to help you. I hope to meet you soon.